Hotel in Station 2 sa Boracay for as low as 3,700 pesos per night na may apat na swimming pool, fitness center, breakfast buffet, at may private beachfront access. Dito yan sa Henan Garden Resort, Boracay. Standard check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out time is 12 noon. May security deposit na refundable upon check-out, 24 hours ang front desk, at may luggage storage sila. Dito kami nagstay sa premier room na may isang queen bed, isang single bed, at isang bedside table. Sa tapat niyan merong TV, dito naman may desk na pwede ring vanity area, meron ding couch and maliit na table, merong balcony kung nasaan yung drying rack, may table and chair din dyan, at ganito yung view sa room namin. Meron ding open cabinet, nandyan yung hanger, payong, safety deposit box, laundry bag, and sa loob ng drawer may hotel sleepers. Sa gilid naman yung lagayan ng mga luggage. Dito sa kabila yung mini bar, may electric kettle at pitchel, nasa drawer yung mga baso, coffee and tea, tapos sa baba yung maliit na ref. Dito naman tayo sa CR, ayan yung sink with mirror, may hair dryer, nandyan na din nakalagay yung mga toiletries at provided na din ng bath towels. Ito naman yung toilet with bidet, katabi niyan yung shower area, tas sa kabilang side may bathtub pa. For the amenities, meron silang apat na malalaking swimming pools, may fitness center din, may restaurant kung saan dito din yung breakfast buffet, and lastly, may private beachfront access sila. Ilalagay ko sa caption and comment section yung mga legit na links kung saan kayo pwede mag-book ng room, at kung gusto nyo makatipid sa mga hotels and activities nyo, gamitin nyo tong mga promo codes namin to get exclusive discounts.